Hi class, I'm Jessica and I work at the University of Birmingham. I am a scientist here. I am a special kind of scientist. I am a chemical engineer. Also at the university here, we have a lovely old clock tower called Old Joe. But we're not here to see Old Joe today, so we're going to head over to the chemical engineering building. Now we've come to the chemical engineering building. Let's go inside. So now we're in the building. I can tell you what I do all day. As a scientist, I do research because we want to learn about the world. So I do experiments all day to test different ideas. Now, what do I do my research on? I do my research on cleaning. So imagine you have a pile of dirt that you want to clean and you have a hose pipe to clean it. How much water do you need to clean the pile of dirt? Well, that's what I want to find out. That's what I do my research on, reducing the amount of water used to clean. Let me go show you. So, before we can come into the lab, we have to make sure we're going to be safe. We have posters which tell us how to be safe. So, we have to make sure our hair is tied back, we have safety goggles on, and a lab coat. So, in order to clean, we need something dirty. So I make a special kind of gloop. To make the gloop, first you get a pot of water and start it stirring. Then you slowly add in powder, but you need to know how much powder to add in. So you have to very, very carefully measure the powder. And then you slowly add the powder in whilst it's stirring. This is so it's going to mix up, and we want it all the same all the way through, so we want really good mixing. Once we've added our special ingredient to our gloop, it looks like this. And then we need some equipment to clean it from. So here is the special equipment we use that sprays water at our gloop. So how do we know that it's really clean? Well, we use a special kind of gloop. The same kind that's used in a glow stick. And this gloop glows under a very special light. And that means we can see when it's all been cleaned away. And then we know how clean it is. And now I'm going to show you the finished video of some gloop being cleaned. What do you think to this? So the equipment we use is quite small. It's about the same size as my hand, or about the same size as a plate. Like when you clean your dishes at home. I'm sure you all wash your own dishes at home, don't you? But how would we clean something this big? What do you think? You can't put that under the tap, can you? We work on cleaning things that are small so we can get ideas on how to clean things that are big. That's what research is for. But I'm not the only person who works here. I have lots of friends who work here too, and they all learn about different things. So they do research on their own topics. So let's go talk to them and see what they do.
Hi guys, I'm Melissa. I work on fuel cells, which are electrical devices that produce electricity using hydrogen gas. I use computers to design power plants that will be used in the motors of cars of tomorrow.
My name's James and I mix together chemicals because we all need to mix together chemicals to make new and exciting things. So I'm going to do a bit of an experiment here. Ugh.
Hi, I'm Pippa and I'm working on trying to spot diseases like cancer really early so that you can get better sooner.
Well, thanks for coming to visit us in the chemical engineering building from this video. Goodbye.